I want to explain to you how I make this 300 naira to 57,000 naira. Now come with me.
Now come with me. I'm very sure you understand that this is not something that happens overnight. It is something I've been doing for a couple of months, not even 1 month, not even 2 months. But it is something that it is very easy to do. This is why I'm trying to explain it to you today. Now, this is what I want you to understand first. If you are someone that always make money, especially if you are making money online or you are doing any other kind of business, you have to understand that it is not every day that money will come in. Sometimes there might be urgent issues. Even you might be receiving money every day, but there are sometimes there might be urgent issues that you need to attend to. This is why you need to have what is called saving. Now look at this. This is the 300 naira that is deducted from my account every day. For example, look at this. This is August 18. 300 naira was deducted. This is August 17. 300 naira was deducted. This is August 16. August 16, 300 nairas were deducted because on August 17 there was no money in my account, so it was deducted August 16 when I have enough money, so they deduct it twice. I also taught someone this process, and the person has been able to gather 14,000 naira from 100 naira every day. What I'm talking about now has more than 14,000 naira currently in this Carbon Bank. So this app currently is a bank, so it is called Carbon. You can download it from Play Store. Just log into your Play Store or Apple Store. After that, search for Carbon. When you see Carbon, click on install. After clicking on install, fill in every necessary details. Make sure you have if you have your BVN. So it is just like a normal bank app. It is just like all those OPay and PalmPay. It's just that I prefer this because it has more benefits to me. So August 19, I was just thinking, where can I get money? I need 50,000 naira to complete this sum of money that I needed today. I just remember, I'm saving some amount of money. I just check. I just say 57,000 naira. I just quickly go there to cash my money out. So this is why I'm teaching you this today. So let me show you the steps. So Swift here, you are going to see savings, or go down here. You can see savings here also. So anywhere you wish, let me come here, click on saving. After clicking savings, you have this page. But let me show you my previous savings. Now this was the previous savings. So I gave it a name of future, like for future purpose. Then I started saving the 300 naira. You see the saving, or come down here, you see saving. Then click on savings. After clicking on savings, then you will come to create saving plan. Then after creating the saving plan, after clicking on create saving plan, then you choose. Don't choose this one, don't choose this one, just come here. This one is when you want to lock your fund and be earning 15.5%. But I prefer this one that removes money from the account daily. So the minimum you can start from here is 100 naira. You can decide to be saving it daily, weekly, or monthly, but I'm saving mine daily. Then create plan. You click on it. After clicking on it, give your plan a name. Maybe for business, maybe for family issues, for different kind of things. Then come here to choose the amount you want the app to deduct from your account every day. Then after that, choose if you want it to be monthly, daily, or weekly. Maybe you are a salary earner and you know every month they will pay you salary, and from the salary you want to save 500 naira. Then the thing will just remove 500 naira every month from your salary. If you don't pay today, if you don't pay tomorrow, next tomorrow, any day that your salary comes in, it will deduct it by itself. Then here, how many months? You say I'm choosing months now. How many months? For 2 months. Or you can write it there for 36 months. Or if it is weeks, how many weeks? So this is what this means. If it is days, how many days? Then it will calculate your interest for you automatically, so you can see it yourself. Want to lock this plan? Do you want to lock the plan? If you choose not to lock the plan, the interest will reduce. If you choose to lock the plan, the interest will increase. Let me just say 1,000 daily. So I want to save 1,000 naira daily for car. So I'm saving 1,000 naira daily for car for how many days? Let me say 200 days, 208 days, for example. So the interest rate is 9.5%. If you start today, if you start today, if you start saving today, the maturity date when this money will complete will be 16th of March 2024. And the total money you are going to get is this. So if you click on proceed, so now it shows you that 1,000 naira daily, if you start August 21, starting date, if you start today, maturity date March 16th, 2024, then you get the interest of 9.5%, and interest value is 5,000 plus. So if you want to withdraw at the end of the day, they will charge you 573 naira. Very cheap. So that is just it. Then if you click here, your saving will get started immediately. So this is all about how I save money using this app. So if you also want to get started, it is very simple. That's just the method. Get the app, get the saving plan, then start saving money. Good luck.